Okay, we're good now. Yeah, we're good now. Yep. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work. Cause it to instantly air out. Revert back a couple times here. Yeah, we'll reset at 12 a.m. Oh my god. Yeah. That's just super unfortunate that it's like that. But it's like, well, it's a good one, but it seems like it's having problems. Oh yeah. Well, kind of good. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it'll just keep putting through the same thing. It'll keep putting through the same command over and over again. Mhm. Bu- 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 Yeah, I'm trying to like kind of remove some of the redundancy and fix some of the small problems out. So it's a lot of things happening right now that you don't really see or that matter a whole lot, but it just takes some time. Yeah, I'm looking here at the different coding. I could try Gemini as well, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that up actually right now. Yeah, yeah. So may as well utilize it. Uh, Oh, it hasn't even catching the music. It crashed. Yeah. I don't see thing here. All quiet. Trying to find it here. There we go. Okay. Maybe. Trying to find it there. There we go. Now the music should be back. What? Hi. Oh, yeah. Hmm. That'll do it. That'll do it. You got a big file on there. Just sucks up all the space. Mm-hmm. Where'd my PowerShell go? Okay, so let's see. Text strings must be rendered within a text unit. What? Yeah, well, that's all it takes. No, not right now. Yeah, let me let me get some of these things fixed that are kind of like in the background. It's causing problems before I mess around with the visuals right now. See here if this works. Just trying to restructure some things. Try this here. Let's get these ducks in a row. Let it move along. Poopy, it's okay. My goodness. He is not having a good time. There, she got some peanut butter now. She got peanut butter. Be better. See here. Gotta pull it up now. Just struggling. That's a bright red screen. Man, this is just getting messy. No, I haven't picked the name yet. No, I haven't picked a name. Just been working on some of the weird problems. Weird problems I'm working on. Let's see here. This has fixed anything? Okay. I think we're about up and running again. Okay. Okay, so okay, a few more things here. Okay, we're getting there. Getting there slowly. Okay, so that's actually working really well the way I want it to. I'm gonna start adding the background next, and then I can start adding some of those other images, and then finally kind of work on the work on that title. Maybe do something different with that, but we'll see that here in just anything else that you can think of? I guess I need to look into those files to see. Oh yeah, I like those. Those are cool. Those yellow ones. Where did you get those at? I just don't know where I'd put them. Oh, Quarktech. I like that. That sounds like a good name. Yeah, that'll work, actually. Excuse me. That'll be something easy to fix, actually. Yeah. Yeah. No, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that last one probably the most. The last one probably looks the best. Yeah, I think that would look cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that looks the best. Okay. Oh, let's see here. I gotta change that. Oh, this is working great. Okay, so gonna now run you through the app here, so you can see what's going on here. We're gonna actually pull it back. See if you can see that. Let me know. Can you see that very well? Oh, we do have an error. Okay, so we do have an error, but we'll figure that out here in a bit. So we can kind of go up and down our ducks that we've gotten. We've got our stats. Stats have the colors. You got the achievements. Kind of show the different achievements for collecting the ducks. The Duckalytics, yep. We got maybe I'll make it Quackalytics. Then up here, when we add a new one, we got the ducks now that are in a scrolling. So it's not as weird because it was just like a big block, but now it's like you can scroll through and like see the different ducks. You take your photo. You use your photo. Like I said, we are getting an error, but that's whatever. This automatically logs the location whenever you take the photo, but you can also through and type what you want for the location. Has the date of acquisition right there, and then you're able to type in notes for your duck. Save your duck. Gives you a little notification saying it's saved. And yeah, it's kind of got your Duckalytics there, and where you've gotten them at. Yeah, your achievements, your trophy case. So that's what we got. Do you see your background? So like when you push the button, you can kind of see the background behind it. Let me see. So you can kind of see there how it kind of fades it. But the background is back there. You see a little bit. The Jeeps. It's kind of hard to like tell because, you know, I mean, you can kind of see there. See? That's kind of some of the things. I do have an error that's the reference is kind of screwed up a little bit, but that's easy. Wonder how this would actually work. So I'm gonna actually text you. So this is what it would look like when you share it. We'll see if it shares properly. So it should actually include the image, shouldn't it? Yeah, I think yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah, you don't like Quack Tag? I like Duck Duck Jeep. 140. Yeah, that's what I have to figure out. Doing a little bit more testing here, see if I may call to reference. So that is a small problem. Okay, so this what was that? Just working on a couple fixes here for a few things, actually. Can you look up to see if Duck Duck Jeep is available? I'm sure it isn't, but so then we'll fall back to Quack Tag. Quack Tag. What? I see. I think Quack Tag is probably good. What? Ducked out. Yeah, I guess. So what if I do this? So we need Quack Tag to be like the header, which means it needs to be wider. I also need it to be something that maybe has, maybe the black's fine. I think it needs to be wider. What's the resolution on that? I guess I can look into that. Let me try to mess with that. You said you were gonna make it so that it was white instead. The Quack Tag. Okay, well that's fine then. Yeah, I know. I will do it. Okay, we'll do that. And thickness. That right there. Get rid of that. That'll be good. For achievements, we could call it something else besides the trophy case. Okay, I'll do that. Change that over. Let's see. I kind of like that. I like the I like the colors so far and like kind of the overlays. We'll do that. We'll do that. I almost want it to have like a deeper, like what would you call it? Because like almost want these to kind of be separated. So like right here where it says the duck color spectrum, I almost want this to be like kind of blackened, you know, I think in a way, kind of like, I don't think there's almost like a border around the top on the header. Shadow maybe. Okay, we'll see if this fixes some things. Getting there one way or the other. I think it's made a lot of progress. Got a couple things to fix out. Yeah, I mean, it looked like an app the whole time, but yeah, I guess. Yes, okay, we'll move this here. Quackalytics. I need this like it's upside down as always. There we go. The dock tracker, which we're gonna put the name in it now here shortly. We'll have that all named up. For GPT. Yeah, I actually, so Claude's not getting me there. GPT, I was not having any luck with. I've actually switched to Gemini, and that's what's actually been blowing past everything like crazy. Like, I am so impressed with Gemini right now and what it's actually being able to do for coding. So impressed. So impressed right now. Like, yeah, it's struggling. I actually think maybe some of the problem is because we're both using, which I'm actually gonna shut GPT down for now, because oh, then never mind. I don't know then. Okay, give me a minute. Oh, that wasn't even the full power. Oh, stop it, Pooh. That wasn't even the full power of Gemini. Goodness. What do you mean by YouTube? Yeah. I just having to fix right now. easily hit the cap on that. But yeah, I think that, yeah, Claude definitely struggles. And you cap out really quick. It can only do so many blocks. And you kind of hit that really quick. I think after this, I should be set for quite a while, actually. I should be set. Yeah, which there's really not much. Like, this is gonna fix the last of the few bugs there were. We'll see, I think. So the rest is just a little bit of manual coding, but that's not that big of a deal. Like, most of it's done. And then figure out if I, oh shoot, there is one more thing. When I share, I wanted to actually like link, yeah, well, see, I don't really want to like link the app. I wanted to link the picture. I wanted to put the picture in the message, yeah. That's like, that's the best way. Yeah, like, what was that? I don't want it to link the app. I want when somebody shares the picture to actually share the picture, not just like, look at this cool thing I found and then have there be no picture that it's linked to. That's, you know, strange. I'd rather it do that. Poopy does need to go out though. If I leave you in, no, not yet. Oh, Quacktail. Oh, okay, cool. I like that. That might be the one. But I think I need it wider. We'll see. But now, yeah, I like that one. That one looks nice. Okay, so yeah, I got the quack. Okay, we're gonna go through the app here for a second. What we have the Quackalytics. We have it so that, oh, that's broken. That's fine. I was gonna have it so that when you click these, it'll actually take you to that spot, because when this gets full, just like future proofing it, but it's busted. But we do have the locations, the colors. I kind of took all the emotes out. Achievements, I haven't done much with the achievements. I feel like they're pretty good. Really nothing to worry about there. The pictures of the ducks, thickened up the borders a little bit, fixed all that. I think that looks pretty good. I got the ducks that I can always add in more. The random name generator for, oh, you have to pick a color. Random name generator for it. And these actually change colors. So, you know, red is red, green is green. The Halloween is actually orange. The Santa one is like a red. Yeah, so that all switches around. You know, and then, you know, when you're anything you want to type about your duck down there, you save that, adds it to your file. Hit something, or I didn't take a photo. Gotta take a photo. What? I don't know why. Why? This is people for people's own thing, you know. Well, you could do that anyway. Yeah, you can. Good point. Yeah, I guess. You're a lot more worried about than I am, but I guess I could look into that. Yeah. Let's see. What's some of the things? Let's see if I can think of an answer of how to fix that problem. Unduck-like imagery. Unmallardry behavior. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, really, there's not, because it's all client side. It's not sending it to a server where it can be moderated. That's the thing. You can't reliably detect explicit content purely on the device. It's likely trying to judge a book by its cover when the cover is actually trying to deceive you. However, you can have clear terms of use and a warning during the upload process. Quack tag is for wholesome duck spotting, keep it clean, or face the digital void. Yeah, I mean, we can't have somebody go and like moderate it all. And it's not like, the other thing is I'm not letting people share between the apps. Like, that's not even a thing, you know? So like the idea of sharing like app to app, I guess you could potentially have that, but I feel like I'm thinking about like that, but I think that's like also so much. Like this is just purely like a collection app for yourself. You know, I wasn't gonna introduce this idea of social media quackery, social media quacktivity. That's kind of what it was. Like I just wanted something simple. Right now, it's just like, you know, a self-contained app for somebody to use for their own stuff, just like nothing. But like to introduce either of those, you're all of a sudden introducing like a lot of back-end stuff. You know, it has to then go to a server, and then that server has to keep your collection of like friends lists and all this, and it's happened to be messed around with. No, I'm just thinking for myself, like well, not really that. Yeah. It's like going from a small app to a social media program. Like, let's see. And not be okay. I gotta take Poopy out. I'll be right back here. Let's see, what music do I have going on? Do I have something good? While I take Poopy out, I'll come back and try to fix those last few things. But you see here at the top, I added that image. Then you see kind of what's going on here. The image is like tiny. So the width of the screen is the 1080. So it needs to be like 1080 by it's 1920 the other way. Yeah, I was gonna have this be like, oh, well, yeah, I guess I could have that be the app logo. I need a banner though, you know. I need a banner. Want some jamming music here. More chill. There we go. How about that? That's some duck building. Okay, be right back. Better change right round. Yeah, can't do that. Yeah. I know this is ducking music. There. It's like, look at the camera now. we're back. I do need to... Better to have, like, duck. And chill right here. Yeah, I bet. What? Let's see. So... my camera shut off. Get it up and going here. Okay, so now we have this. What do you think of that? Is it just too much? Keep all shared content duck rated. PG, please. No unmallardly conduct or imagery. Let's celebrate rubber ducks, not other things. Be excellent to each other. Now, the beginning. What do you think of that? Oh. Error. Got problems. We got problems in the duck pond. Might need to actually... Okay. Yeah, we got some problems. Fine. Do a little bit of fixing here. Okay. We're gonna get the duck in. The big duck. Big duck's coming in. I'm gonna try to help. What? Oh, foul behavior. Yeah. Let's... see. Not read primary category state of undefined. Let's see. Okay, so we have a few problems. So category stats are undefined. So that's They're easy things to fix, luckily. Ah! But your duck pond is indeed empty. Did you look? So yeah, Quack Tag. That's the icon. So I'll download that. What size did you make that icon? Okay, cool. Oh, that's fine. We'll do Quack Tag icon. A PNG. Ah, that'll be perfect. That looks really cool. Looks really good. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. Log your duck. So we gotta fix that problem. That should be easy. That should be not too big of a deal. What font is that? You don't know what font it is off the top of your head? What is it? What chat? What chat? What chat did you put it in? Oh, there. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah. We're almost there. Almost. Got a type error going on. The menu type options image is appreciated. Being the full roster. The array is broken for the achievements. That. That array. That's also why the ducks are populating slowly. I don't think random.math is broken. That's like always worked. If that didn't work, then the whole thing wouldn't work. gonna try to share the duck again with you and see how it looks now. Good. Peak candy. So we need Quack Tag as a banner across the top. Like that with that font, with that thing, because I don't have a way to actually do that. Good. What do you call it? A group of ducks? I don't know how flock of ducks sounds great though. Like right now, tell me how you think this looks. Okay, so we have this duck. Okay, here. So we have our duck color spectrum or whatever. So this is pretty clean. It's got the background. But when you add a duck, this is all white. Should this be white? It makes it clean. Well, no, maybe I should save it like that. I'm thinking what would look good. Up a little bit here. No, but moving on. I think that'll be good there. We got the trophy case. Got the duck added. The duckalytics are up. Got the duck pictures there. Yep. Fixing all that. That's all good. I'll put the banner across the top. The icon shouldn't be a problem. Then let's see, what do we got? It's 1080 by, I don't know, you could do, I'm not sure what it should be. 1080 wide, yeah. 1920 is the whole length, so it'd be like if you did, you know, 1/8 maybe. 1/8 of 1920. No, 1/8 of 1920. Sure, yeah. Like, that sounds about right. I could always add more names for the different, like, seasonal ducks. Got quite a few here now. These are all in the array. The color names. We could add those. That's easier enough. Adventure words, terrain words, Jeep words. So plenty of random right there. Yellow's the fallback. And right here, I should actually look at it here. So that would be the quack tag. Quack tag. Run version like 72. Version 72 of this duck app. Wanted to get it done tonight. I feel like we're almost there. Like the little tiny iterations I'm doing now are not much. Then let me see the file that we have. I need sound effects. Can I get a quack and a splash.mp3? Can you give me those? Or are you pretty tied up now? I need a splash.mp3 and a quack.mp3. I'm gonna try one here. See if I can get anything made. I'm gonna work on, I don't know, cool sounding. I think it's a little too much. That's pretty okay. Yeah. Actually, I like the beep too. That idea is a good one. Making a duck collecting app for like Jeep duck owners, for ducks that we get, kind of collect them. Welcome, by the way. Let's see, we need a small. Yeah. So the way I've currently got it is it'll help you kind of collect your ducks. You know, you log your duck, let you kind of select the color of the duck that you have, get you a name for your duck, and then your location and everything. So you can take a picture of said duck. And then use that. Yeah, there we go. And then you'll be able to save that. And it tells you saved it. Yeah, for Jeep ducks, because I personally have a bunch of Jeep ducks and I don't even know where I've gotten them from. I just kind of like over time just threw them in the dash, and I've just gotten so many, and I wanted to find a way to like log where and when and how I got them. Maybe have little notes for found this on X night or Y night. I got this one like a long time ago. It was just like on my Jeep, you know, and then I named him, and his name is Mephistos the duck. And then of course we have like little ducks. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's a cool little like personal app for collecting ducks. Really, I've had my Jeep now for about 5 years, and I've gotten, I don't know, I have to have at least 50 ducks. I have so many ducks. Yeah, just it is definitely a Wrangler thing, like a Jeep Wrangler thing. But I've seen quite a few Cherokees that have ducks in them as well. Oh, I like that splash and that quack a lot more. But yeah, definitely a Wrangler thing. You can still get them though. I personally, when I try to find when I see other Jeeps like Renegades, I try to put one on there, or a Grand Cherokee. Okay, let's see. So I'm adding this sound effect. Should what? Liberty? Nah, Liberty's all right. They just, you know, they're a rare breed in of itself. They stopped making them. Hard to even find those. Oh, we air it out. What do we do? Collection. Problem. You know, another yeah, I mean they're still good. I see them like I live way up north, and we get a lot of snow, so you know, I see them and they make it through just fine. They just stopped making them. There was the other Jeep that they stopped making. It wasn't a Liberty. I thought it was smaller than a Liberty, but maybe I'm thinking the Liberty. Yeah, it must be. I had a friend who had one once. He loved it. He had no problem with it. Patriot, the Patriot maybe. Oh, and the Commander. Yeah, see, they've had so many. They're always so what's the word? Patriotic, you know. Yeah, they got the Patriot, the Liberty, the Commander. Grand Cherokee's kind of out there, and the Cherokee's out there, but The Renegade and the Wrangler. They're always so tough names. So tough. Yeah, no, it's definitely a thing. The other day I actually got off work and I went out to my Jeep and I had probably like six of them all over the place. Like one was on the back tire, one was like on the door handle, one was like on the windshield wiper, one was like on the runner. And then I got in, and as I was getting ready to drive off, there was another one that was like on the front of the hood. I was like, ugh. And then that's what reminded me of, like, you know, I have no way of tracking these things. My whole front, the windshield is just filled with them. And I almost think that it's like a snowball effect. Once you start getting them, people see that you keep them and then they want to add to that collection. So then you just get a bunch more. Exactly, yeah. The last truck I owned was an S10, and it had a Vortec V8 in it, and that thing was fast. What kind of truck do you got? Oh, we're missing that. Okay, one second. Let me pull that up here. Oh, you have a fast truck. I see. Sounds pretty beefy, too. Sounds like a jet engine. Are you sure it's a truck? Sounds like a jet engine. Oh, I know exactly what's happening here. I didn't actually import my... Ooh-wee. What's the fastest you've got it up to? 170. Oh my gosh. No wonder you're getting them look from the cops, man. Yeah, one thing about the Wrangler, it's definitely when you get going past 70 or 80, you start to feel, I mean, you're at the end of the day, you're a cube going down the road. You kind of get that little bit of that death wobble going on, and you start to question what you're doing. I've never had a really fast car though. Fastest car I ever had was a Ford Taurus. Yeah, the S10 was faster, but I was a child back then, so I didn't understand the power that I had. Plus, I lived in Missouri at the time, and I remember the snow on the roads. Really, it was a real drive, of course, but I was dumb. I should not have had that. AV. Actually gonna put this server. I need to create my sound folder as well. Yeah, I gotta that over. Move over my sound effects. Let's see here. Kind of cool. Yes, sorry, this is React. Native React. I'm using it. It seems to be working pretty good. I've been using Expo to run it on my local server to my phone. That way I can kind of see it in real time as I break it or fix it or the changes I make. I planned on just exporting it to the app stores. And it seemed like native React was React was one of the easier programming languages to use for it. I've liked it so far. It reminds me a lot of Python and well, JavaScript, but most of it makes sense. Okay, so I imported that. I don't even know. Flutter? Yeah. I've never heard of Flutter. What is that error? Unable to... Got a console error. Okay, fine. That's fine for now. This is the first app I've ever made, actually. It's been kind of a cool experience. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's been a learning experience for sure. I started making it the other day on like Sunday, I think. It's been an uphill battle with the different crashes or whatever and learning how all this stuff actually works. Thank God for AI being able to like look up things and learn. What did I name sound? Quack.mp3. Quack.mp3. That should be good. Gotta add the sound to the actual... I like that Jeep beep sound. I like the quack. It doesn't sound like a squeaky quack, but it's a quack. Yep, these are just kind of like little MP3s. Give me a minute, I could probably pipe those through. In just a moment. And they're also not very big sounds. You hear that? Not much there. I'll have to turn this up. Yeah, see, just a little quack. I was going to have that when you like either add a duck or click over. Yeah, there's not. Same one, never mind. Beep. I was also thinking about a splash. That. Splash. That. Quack. Honking. Flashing. I had another sound just a few. So I have this one, which I might end up. Well, sounds like a mouse. See. I'm gonna see if it actually works first. That's on it. That song was not doing it. Yeah, actually, I do have that. So like when you go to your duck collection, you see if it can. So I do have it so that you can actually share and go to like your socials, and then it'll send the picture, and it actually sends it so that it did add that up. It'll say like, check out this Jeep duck from Quack Tag, name, and it names whatever you named it. Found it, collection, and then it has like the hashtags for the duck. So I got that. I was thinking about nope, I want that page. Oh. About making it I was thinking about that, like some sort of social media page thing, or but adding in a back end and having off, like, I guess maybe I could just make a Facebook page. That's an interesting idea. I hadn't thought about that. So it almost like shares it to that web page exclusively. The only thing is it introduces something that I would worry about, which is like people taking, and I actually have it in the app here. Let me when you first open it, maybe, unless it's broken. Oh, that's right, I shut the app down. I have to restart it. You can use AI to moderate images. That's a good idea too. Because that's what the problem was. That was my fear, is like, you know, some people do unmallardly things. You know, some people don't behave well in the duck pond. You have to be careful. They show their own quacker, their little quacker on there. That is a good idea, though. Actually, I might think about that. How it just shares it. Right now, it's just like you can share it to your own social media page, or you could share it to a friend or text it to somebody. But that actually might be really, yeah. People like showing off, like being social. We can. I definitely like that. That is a good idea. I'll have to think about like how I would make that work, but it would be something like make a page. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm trying to think. I just make like a page that I send it to, or that you can post it to. Good. Okay, I gotta get this app back in front. Let me see. Where is my PowerShell? There we go. Okay. Getting this back up and running. It's building. Oh, it crashed. Try restarting Metro. Okay. Start that. Oh, that's like I said, that's a really good idea, I think. Yeah. I had not even thought about that at all. Like, the app is completely broken now. 1 second. Let me see here what we got. Yeah, I need to get onto that marketing, but that is so good. Yeah, people love sharing stuff and like showing off and like competing and like all that. And then you're right, AI can do so many things. Being able to have AI just like moderate the images. Just take a moderator, make an agent, have it, you know, like look at the pictures. Actually, yeah, and that might make it actually take off, like you're saying. Like, that's gold. I'm trying to figure out how to make AI work for things, right? I've introduced AI into every part of my life that I could. Unfortunately, my job. No, I don't have any way to like select multiple Jeeps. I figured like just the person themselves would contain them all, but yeah, you really don't select your Jeep in there at all. But that might be something that, like, you know... No. That might run into licensing issues, though. That was my problem. I've been thinking about that while I've been actually making things of, like, you don't want to get too close to Jeep, like... Otherwise, the big bad Jeep will come down and take you off. They'll winch up to you and drag you away. It might not. It might not. Because I was thinking about Duck Jeep as like a name for it earlier. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I don't know. I'm trying to like mull over in my head now kind of what you're saying about having it post to like a page or a social, like a Facebook or a Twitter page. Interesting idea. Go grab that Twitter handle real quick, or how that would work. Is it that it would just like you would tweet to them, or it would post it onto that? That also like could be dangerous. It has like the location data on there. Clean that off. Yeah, strip that data off and have it post there. Because people are great and people are also terrible at the same time, right? You have to like prepare for all sides. Let's see. Where are you, PowerShell? What happened? Oh, I put the wrong... I see. It's the wrong file. I needed an MP3 file. Wave file. Attempting to load. Whack on MP3. Yeah, all right, man. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good night. Thanks for the information. I'll get the banner put on there in a minute. Whack. Try this again. No, my opponent enemy in my background is jacked. Let's try a quick reset of this. More errors. Quack tag. Okay, so there's that. Like, need to. What are you trying to find? You're trying to find splash.mp3? Okay, we need our splash.mp3 next. And then we need this. That should solve that problem. Ah, no. Oh, that's the worst. When I go to click a file folder and instead I hit GIMP and then GIMP starts launching up. And I have to like try to cancel it out, but it's too late. I do. Got assets, sounds, splash. Okay. Let's do a quick reset here. Okay. Reset, see if we get this working. I think we should just do a hard stop on this action. Where is PowerShell? There's PowerShell. Okay, well. I think that, oh, that looks pretty. Yeah, that's fine. If you want to put it through, that'll be good. Yeah. Yeah, if you could make it a little bigger, because it's pretty small on there. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because, let's see here. Here's what it kind of looks like right now. This is the version you gave me. Do you see the top right there? That's the old one. Yeah. Yeah. What's the difference between the new and the old? Okay. I think that updated in real time. I think that looks better. So then I gotta maybe... Yeah. Yeah. It could be a little wider. If you make it like a little wider, maybe. We're almost done, though. I feel like we're almost to the point of being done with this. Well, shoot. There's that idea that he gave me there. Like, I don't know how that would work. Yeah. Yeah, but we talked about that and you had your concerns, which I agree with. Yeah. Well, because I didn't want to do like a social media like platform, but the idea of you share it to a page and that page is just moderated, and then that page, like, you can't really do anything except for share that you have a duck. That's a good idea. I had not thought about it like that. I was thinking of like the social aspect where people are getting together, and you never want to get people together. Cause problems. Yeah, exactly. Somebody with their license plate out. Well, it only takes images from the app. Good. Before I crashed it. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're pumping through quite a few actually. Let's try something here. Yeah, this was cool. True. Pod should be unlocked here now, but yeah. You know, I also just looked at Claude and it was actually taking a lot of memory. Just that tab being open was taking like a lot more than anything else. And we talked about how it was lagging earlier. Well, I haven't been doing anything with it for a while, so the fact that it was almost like a memory leak. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think if there was a way to make it share. Okay. We're almost there. We want to do that. We want to. that, and we'll actually. Yeah, I got a playlist link. It's White Bad Audio. Let's see, they got a lot of royalty-free and copyright-safe music. Here, I'll post that into chat. Got a few though. Pretty good stuff. Actually, Jade, would you mind pasting that in? Oh, right there, and just wouldn't mind dropping that in chat. Thank you for the follow, by the way, whatever Jario. That one is actually a sort of a Terminator mix. This one that's currently playing. Okay, so we're almost there. We got it. Maybe you can hear it. It's got the sound. So we've successfully got the sound effects up. Gotta work on that a little bit more. Oh, and there you go. What we got next? We're gonna remove that, make that bigger. Yeah, no problem. I think, I don't know. That, and then the quack tag is looking good. I think that's the newest one. I got to take off. Currently taking off that banner, and I'm going to leave it with the collecting ducks, the duck collection at the top there. And currently now there's a splash effect whenever you switch. Splash sound plays. You probably can't hear it right there through that. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll make it a quack, like quack, quack. Maybe I'll do my own sound effect. Quack. Absolute best. We could use Google Cloud Vision AI for content safety and to make sure that detection to ensure it's a duck. Combined with manual review for borderline cases that would be essential, with a backend to handle uploads in the gallery itself. So it's potential. It's a potential thing we could do. Okay, what do you got? Okay, throw it up. Get some to drink. Are we talking like an icon? Okay, is that for the icon for the app? So it's gonna need to be square. Would be the only thing. It's currently, I mean, I like the look of it. I like that. I like that. That looks cool. Yeah, it just has to be round. Edges have to be round, of course. It's gotta be square. I think you can figure that out. Square with round edges, yeah. You might have to, instead of shrinking it, actually like square it up, maybe. Get taller. I need to right back. Probably gonna end up doing this for a lot of the day tomorrow too. Okay, the app is back. Okay. looks good. Did you tell Jenny about my app that I'm working on? What'd she say? Jealous. Check that sucker out. Yeah, I like that. That'll be good. Yeah. That in my Jeep Icon. Jeep Beat. I still have to figure out all of that. That's like a whole thing. Our digital duck pond's still a little turbulent though. Got some bugs we're still working on. We have the cameras broken again. We bounce back and forth between the camera being broken and the camera working. It's either the camera's broken or the sound is broken. One of the two are always happening back and forth. But that's what you get, I guess. A turbulent duck pond. They're getting crazy. Right now, the name generator is on strike. The splash sound is on strike. Mad. They're getting their feathers all ruffled. Foul mood. This is looking good. Yeah. terminal. I got something you can probably do. Well, you think, well, you're probably about done for the night, right? You're about half. Look into and make a Ko-Fi, like a tip jar thing I could throw on there. Bottom. Yeah, for me, if I can like have a link to put on there. Yeah, that's fine. Although my coding programming is probably going to be Luminary Falls, so yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Either or, like Luminary or Delirium. Either one will be good. Keep the keep it rolling here. Oh. Thing, so that needs to be done. See, you never know. Let's see, so I fixed that, I got the splash that I can always change the effect with. That's looking good. Because the sound effects themselves I can always change. That's just like renaming a file. That's not like a programming thing. You can rename all that too, so that's easy. Oh, okay. You just need a code. Well, not 6178. Probably need to set up a PayPal as well. I have to, yeah. So I have one from a long time ago, but I'll do that when I get off here. What do you think about the top there? Yeah, I think it looks awesome. Yeah. So we got Quack Tag, the collection. We got log new ducks. We got the different analytics that work. I even have this here. I got it stubbed in so that it's like a beta thing that's not out yet, right? Kind of tells you that kind of my plan for it. I don't know if you can read that or not. Probably not. Luminary. Luminary is fine. Okay. Let's see here. Launching it up. Where's my... I'm gonna restart the whole thing up. Give it another go here. Start it all up. Okay. Okay, here we go. Almost there. Okay, cool. And then just throw that URL in Discord to me, and I'll add it in. That won't be a problem. Ooh, it's fine. We'll go to bed soon. Make like notes. I see the link. I got that. What am I looking at? Oh, that looks really good. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. I like that a lot. That looks really good. That looks good. Thank you. Okay, let's see.
Legends never die when the world is calling you.
Oh wait, what the hell?
I'm screaming
royalty free. I have to figure out that duck URL thing too at some point. Put that in here. For the for when I'm uploading ducks to like that page at some point in the future. A page, like a web page. I still haven't figured that all out. How am I even get that to work? What am I doing? Go back. Duck. I still have to figure that out, like, totally. I'm not even sure what to do. Going through here, see if there's anything I need to, like, still figure out. What we got? Required assets. This got jacked. This all got ducks. Okay, that's all fine. See, might work like that. Pediculytics, yeah, I know. What? I need to find a figure out these achievements. Not figure them out, but I need to inject in the old achievements. Right here, after 10. Grab this. Oh, really? They're still here? Over Dark is still. Oh, what? Oh, wow. More? It's crazy. More achievements like Quackzilla, a force of nature in the duck world. But I need it. There's too many. There's too many good ones. There's no way. There's too many now, you know? Nobody's ever gonna get to 1,000. Like... Okay, so we have achievements fixed. I'm gonna get back to the naming. Yep, the naming. think it got jacked up a while ago. Yeah. How about like so all the other ducks that you have, I don't know. I can start adding those. Those are pretty easy. They just go in this array here. And I can pick colors, so that's easy enough. The photos I already have. Oh, I might use them. We'll see. We'll see. No promises. I didn't ask for that. Okay, well that was a little much. Okay, so const duck name suggestion. Color name. Duck suggestion. Oh, we're gonna have to like add this entire function back in. But I think that shouldn't be too big of a deal. Like, if we remove this here. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. It is. You can't see much right now, but it's there. It's looking. I'm just looking at the different. Oh, hey Irish, how's it going, man? Haven't seen you in a while. I've been away too. Cannot redeclare scope variable suggest name. Hope everything's been going good for you. Old, okay. How many lines is this? We're getting close to 1,000 lines of code now. Oh, I'm doing good. Working on an app, coding an app. I've been working on that for the last few days here. Yeah, how's everything been? I coded a couple days ago, then I had a couple closing nights at work, so that kind of like screwed up my whole jam. One second here, I can actually get it up and running here. It's actually a Jeep duck tracking app, which you might not have ever heard of. So for people who own Jeep, specifically Wranglers, there's this thing that we do that when we see a cool Jeep, we put a duck on it. And I've collected quite a few ducks because I have a Jeep. So like, you know, one night I found this duck on my Jeep. A couple years ago I found this duck. Or I have this one. I have probably about 50 ducks or so. But this app, because I was just like playing around with, is about collecting them, kind of like saving them, saving kind of the location that you got it in, being able to take a picture of it, kind of show off your collection. Yeah, that's kind of what's going on here. I'll kind of show you here in just a second. Let me reset it now that I updated some stuff. Okay, so here's what I've got so far. Quack tag. Let me get the camera. The camera is all over the place, but you know, you can go in here, select your color of duck that you have. Do a random name generator for it, your location, take your picture of your said duck, take a picture of the big duck boy over here. Okay. Or I'll just hit it, whatever. Use photo. And then, yeah, you can like type in some information, like when you found it. And then it crashed. So we're getting there. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's literally what it's all about. So then I got it so that once you do put your duck through, you got your achievements and your Quackalytics. You can kind of see the colors of ducks that you've collected over time and places that you've collected them. And then finally your achievements. So I have a whole list of achievements that you collect by collecting all the ducks that you can get, right? And then it kind of keeps track of how many ducks you've got. And I plan to do something. I talked to a guy earlier. Yeah, Quacktastic. Well, thank you. I talked to a guy earlier about I added this little blue thing, so that you share it to like a website and sort of like a social media post. But I don't want to have the whole integration of social media posts. I just want like your post goes to this page, and this page doesn't have your location or anything that could cause anybody to get in trouble, and then I can use AI to filter it out so that it's just the pictures of people's ducks that they want to share online, and there's no chance of people doing bad things or sharing non-mallardly duck pictures. No foul pictures. Yeah, that's where I'm at with that. Been building this the last few days. Me actually log my duck. I think it's a lot better when there's like see the duck. Got the old made it so that now it quacks whenever you add a duck to your collection. But you're able to keep track of where you got them from, you know? And then you can currently share them. It'll like send a picture. Yeah, exactly. I got back into the coding again, started working on stuff, and then started, you know, playing around with it. So that's been good. I did. I didn't comment, but I reacted to it. I did. Here, let me pull it up here because I don't think Jade has seen it actually. Yeah, I'll pull it up here in just a second. Actually, what did you do, Ray? I think. See if I can show this. Okay. Cool. Actually, I think you can probably see this here. How does that? Can you see that now? It'll see. Let me actually pause that because yeah, I was getting ready for bed as well. It's 1 a.m. I've been working on this for like 4 hours, a little over. You can see, cool. Okay, here we go. Got the whole menu up. No, there's no audio. Yeah, oh yeah, it's cool. Like I said, making menus difficult in Unity, man. Unity is a whole beast. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, you're making progress on it. Yeah, you gotta have the level selection. Really? I when I started messing around with levels in Unity, it was like big canvases, and I mean, I think that's where actually you came in on one day, and you're like, "Oh, it's just a canvas. Think about it like a canvas." And I was like, "It's beyond me right now." That's cool. Yeah, I still like yours because it's just got a lot of thinking to it, right? Awesome. It could be a duck. It could be a duck. It gives you some ideas. Like one of my big ducks. This is Mephistos. Ducks and foxes. DuckTales. Oh, woo. Oh. 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 I know, Pooh. Pooh's grunting at me. She is not happy. Need 998 more ducks for that achievement. Okay, yeah, sure, man. I can wait a few minutes here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's splash sound whenever you hit the button. Actually, I want it, so I'm gonna have to like switch a few of these things around. Okay, I got a console error. Fine. I'm Ranger. Last thing I want. If there's anything else that I want to mess with, that's the thing. It's never enough for me. I always got to mess with something else. I think I'm so close to just being done with it. To a point where it's like I can actually put it out, right? Almost there. Probably do something like a Jeep beeping. Um, like a Jeep beep. Yep, and I'll use the MP3. Well, oh man, I'm looking at this here and I'm thinking pretty much done. Makes a quack when you save it. But there's always just one more thing that I want to mess with. You know, there's always something. Uh, we have that. We have that. We have that other thing stubbed in so that we can upload to a social media page at a different time. The colors, I'm really happy with the colors now. Like, I know the camera doesn't really show it well, but the colors are just fantastic. Yeah, that the graphs look cool. I think so much of it just looks so clean now compared to what it looked like earlier. Just almost looks like a real app. almost like a real boy. I don't know, maybe I don't know, we'll look here. Oh, goodness. There's so many options. Um Oh, there we go. We got the link up from Wild Irish here. Okay, let me know when you can see that on screen. Here, I gotta pause it. Whoa, whoa. No squirt. I got it. I got it. Let me know when you can see it. Good deal. Well, this is that one that I like the look of. Holy moly. Yeah, see, you got it. You got it good with the puzzles. Oh, you gotta hurry. Oh, shh. Oh, it resets the whole thing. Up then. Could you do the blue one first? Or could you do the red one first? Or do you have to do it in that sequence? Oh, you got to do it in order. Yeah, that makes sense. So cool. Yeah, you're still making so much progress on that, man. And good on you for keeping it up. So badass. But that sounds like you're going to bed. What time is it there? It's got to be like, it's got to be past morning. It's 1:13 here. I'm up late because I got addicted to coding this app. 7:13 a.m. and now you're going to bed? Holy moly. Meanwhile, Pooh is like, Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm so tired. Yeah, it's like Mario Maker puzzle level. Mario puzzle maker leveling puzzling. Puzzle. Yeah, I'm getting tired now. Pooh's like, Daddy, please. We gotta go to bed so we can get up and eat dinner and breakfast. It is bedtime for me and the Pooh. But well, thanks for thanks for stopping in, man. Good job on your game so far. I'll catch you around later. Night, Irish. And night, Jade. Everybody else, have a good night. Bye-bye. Boy, how do I stop this?